All right, guys. So again, just to recap, this is a red oak, 2 1/4, 3/4 thick hardwood floor, semi-gloss. A lot of abrasions, a lot of scratches. This is a gun stock. They got a little bit of sun fading right here. See that from the windows, and that's a really common problem. And the only way to get that taken care of is to sand it, stain it, and recoat it. So this kind of sheen and floor was popular like back in 2000s. And this floor is again 20 plus years old. So they want a complete sand, stain, and recoat. And they did decide to go with Propical, which is right here, like almost like a regular walnut. A lot of character there. And they're going to go with this one right here. So we did a couple samples to see which one they like better. And she liked this one. So we're going to go with that. And we're going to coat it with a satin sheen. And as you can see, my sanding team always mask off. That's what AO does. And we blue tape everything. It's all in the prep, guys. And essentially, it takes us a full day to mask everything off and blue tape all the baseboards and get everything where it needs to be. That way we can properly sand the floors and get things clean. So in doing this, people always ask how much dust. We barrel sand and we have a dust containment system, but there's still going to be a lot of particulate that kind of hangs around that they're airborne that you can't see. But we do our due diligence to make sure we completely make it as dust free as possible. So that's what we're doing. You can see the baseboards are all blue taped off. And that's the AO standard, guys. That's what my AO sanding team does. Make sure it's efficient. And this client, Jill and Don, are really excited to get it done. And we're also doing their steps right here. And we got the hallway going. We got the bedrooms they're going to be doing. Yeah, these floors are looking great, guys. We got the closet area right there. We got the closed plastic off. So we do a really intentional job of making sure that we're doing the best possible job we can to make this hardwood floor flat. And once we get it flat with our different grit sequences, then at that point, when it's flat, then it can adhere to new stain and new protection. So that's what we're doing. Got our edger there. Pretty nice day out here too in the Midwest. I think it's right around maybe 60 degrees. Perfect weather to do floors. Got this for your ear we're going to be doing. So yeah, guys, this is a second day on the job. Usually the first day we're prepping because all in the prep. And then the second day we usually start the sanding sequences. And then tomorrow into Monday, or even Saturday rather, we'll do the different sequences. So by hopefully Monday, or Tuesday, we can start not sanding. We can start staining. And then midweek of next week, probably Wednesday, we'll start coating. And then by Thursday, we'll have the second coat on there as well. And then by Friday, we can actually do a walkthrough to see the overall look of it. So that's what we're doing. Typically, 1,300 plus square feet. This typically takes, with the steps included, a good 7 to 10 day duration. We always give them a little more. I did tell the client 12 to 14 days. We always like to get more in case there's any kind of issues. But that's what we're doing, guys. So stay tuned. And as always, if you need the service or want a quote, give us a call. We do free phone estimates with pictures, close-ups of area concern, and then roughly we can give you roughly a square footage. Or we also do in-home estimates. If you're local, within a 5-mile radius, we can come to you. If not, we do charge a $75 consultation fee to come out to you, measure, look at your wood profile, your wood species, identify what you're wanting to convey, and do an in-depth measurement and consultation. And if you move forward with our service, of course, that does come off your invoice. We're making it free. And that's just really for people that are serious and know that they want to get their hardwood floor finished. So, but please reach out to us, AOCleaning.com, or give us a good old phone call. And also be sure to follow us on Facebook as well. And follow us on, subscribe to our channel on YouTube. So, all right, guys. Hope this educated you. Hope this added value to you. Please support us and follow us and like us. And stay tuned for more of our hardwood floor sanding team doing their thing the AO style way. All right, guys, I'm 𝐟𝐨𝐫𝐞𝐿ing. Have a good day. See you soon, and stay clean, stay healthy.
You have to try to get it all at once, get the result.
Yeah.
That's a brand new sheet that shows you how tough it is. Not brand new sheet, or they know how to fix it.
All right, guys, we are doing it to it. Got the AO hardwood van out. The team's on scene. This is the last day we're doing a hardwood sand and recoat. This is the last day we're recoating. Let's check on the team now. Hey, let's go. Beautiful day out here. Let's check it out here. There's my main guy there, Jerry.
We're sanding them down now.
Perfect. You guys can see, got the beautiful biblical stain, satin sheen. We're braiding it so it can adhere to new protection. You guys, the client loves it. We're on it. You can just see how it's going to look. This is only the first coat. We got 2 coats to go, and we're doing it to it. The guys just knocked it out of the park, guys. So you got the stairs. But right now, we're just braiding, screening it, if you will, so it can adhere to the second coat. And it's going good. The team is doing a phenomenal job. So we're just so passionate about what we do here at AOCleaning. Again, if you need the service, reach out to us. We got you covered. And we're doing it now. Beautiful, beautiful stain there. Check it out. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.
Do the whole thing.
All right, guys, I'm with my main guy, Jerry. He's the lead guy on all of my floor jobs. He's also on all my vehicles, but he did a great job doing this floor. And look at this floor, guys. Look at this. This is only the first coat. And what we're doing now is we're screening this floor, getting it prepped, so we can add 2 more coats of polyurethane, satin sheen. And guys, the client came this morning and really loved it. Look at these steps, guys. Phenomenal, phenomenal. So I recommend if you guys need a service, reach out to us. We got you covered. Hey, yo, let's go.